Join me in a comfortable position. If there's a window in your room, face towards the window. Relax your eyes. Relax your shoulders. Sit upright and relax your body. Relax your breathing. Slow down your breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. No matter what point of life you're in, whether you're lost, whether you're in a new job, or whether you don't know what your career path may be, focus on the present. Notice your thoughts and bring it back to your breathing. Think about your current role. What's something you like about your job? What's an accomplishment you're proud of? Think about that for a second. Note the nature of this accomplishment. Why are you proud of it? Note it down mentally. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Bring yourself back to the present. Now think about a happy memory at work. What made you happy? Note that happy memory and let it go. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Now think about a possession at work that makes your life easier. It could be a tool or a machine. It could be any kind of possession. Picture the image in your brain. Say thank you mentally. And then let it go. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Notice if your thoughts have wandered. If it has, bring it back to the present. Now think about a colleague who you're grateful for. This person you see at work who has helped you, or a person at work that you trust and rely on. Say thank you in your heart, and then come back to the present. Now try to relax and let go of all thoughts. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax your fingers. Take a deep stretch. Thank yourself for spending the time today to be grateful. Relax and keep that smile on you. And we'll see you next time.